Hey everyone. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how beginners can make money with ChatGPT step by step. Even if you've never used AI before or have zero experience, this guide will give you the exact tools and methods to start earning online with ChatGPT in 2026. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need to spend any money to get started. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to make your first dollar online using AI. Before making money, it's important to know what ChatGPT can actually do. This AI is like having your own virtual assistant. It can write articles, blog posts, or social media captions, generate ad copy or marketing content, create ebooks, guides, and scripts, answer questions or provide customer support. Basically, it can replace hours of work in minutes, and people are willing to pay for that time-saving ability. For example, if a small business needs a weekly blog post, ChatGPT can write it in just a few minutes. That's something you can sell and get paid for. Next, you need to choose a money-making method. Here are some beginner-friendly options. Freelance writing or content creation. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or other platforms using ChatGPT to deliver fast, professional work. Creating and selling ebooks. ChatGPT can help you write short guides or books, which you can sell on Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. Social media management. Use ChatGPT to create captions, posts, or marketing emails for businesses. AI consulting. Teach others or small businesses how to use ChatGPT to save time or generate content. Pick one method first and focus on it. Once you succeed, you can branch out to others. Now comes the fun part, letting ChatGPT do the work. For example, you could write a 500-word blog post about the top AI tools to make money online in 2026. ChatGPT will generate a complete, professional article in seconds. Then, you can edit lightly to make it sound personal. Add extra examples or tips. Format it nicely for your client or platform. Even beginners can produce professional-level work in minutes. This is why this method is perfect for starting fast. Once your content is ready, it's time to get paid. You can join freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or people sell ebooks or guides on Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or Etsy. Offer social media content services to local businesses. Pro tip: start small. Offer your first service at a lower price to build reviews and credibility. Then gradually increase your rates as your reputation grows. After you earn your first few dollars, you can scale your income. Automate content creation using ChatGPT templates. Offer packages instead of one-off services, like weekly blog packages. Build multiple income streams by combining ebooks, freelance work, and social media services. The more efficient you become with ChatGPT, the faster you can grow your income, even as a complete beginner. Here are some bonus tips to help you succeed. Always deliver quality work, it keeps clients coming back. Learn basic formatting and editing, even small improvements make your content look professional. Keep exploring new ways ChatGPT can help you make money, like creating YouTube scripts or AI prompts. And that's it. You now know exactly how beginners can make money with ChatGPT step by step. If you want more tips on AI tools and online income, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.